In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your list of bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're keeping meticulous records for your business or just want to have a physical copy of your financial activities, understanding how to print your bank transactions is a valuable skill. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Transactions section. You can find this on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. It's an area that serves as the hub for all your financial movements, making it crucial to know your way around it. Once you're within the Transactions tab, you'll want to focus on the Bank Transactions section. This is specifically where your connected bank accounts data resides, and it's replete with all sorts of vital financial information. Next, you need to choose the particular account for which you want to print the transactions. This could be any linked checking, savings, or credit account, whichever one you're focusing on. A helpful tip here is to double-check that you've selected the right account to ensure the printed records are exactly what you need. When you're viewing the transactions of your chosen account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot a gear icon. By clicking on this icon, you open up a menu that lets you tweak the display settings of your transaction list. Choose a large page size, like 100, so more transactions can be included on the pages when printing. This step is key. It ensures you won't have to print multiple pages unnecessarily, save some paper, and streamline the entire process. Now, the part we've been preparing for, printing. Look right next to the gear icon for the printer icon. Give it a click. What follows is a print preview window. This window is your final checkpoint before you commit your transactions to paper. Make sure the paper size is suitable for your printer, the orientation matches your preference, whether that's portrait or landscape, and the margins fit your desired layout. Additionally, verify that your chosen printer is correctly selected along with the right scale to ensure your printed details are clear and legible. After confirming all these print settings are to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the print button, and there you have it, a freshly printed list of your bank transactions ready for filing, review, or discussion. And that's all there is to it. Printing your bank transactions in QuickBooks Online isn't just a few clicks away. It's also an excellent practice for maintaining hard copies of your financial transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.